Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this 20V cordless drill driver from Parkside, the model PABS 20LIG8, with battery and with charger. Special edition for Black Friday. With a rotation speed, first year from 0 to 430 RPM, second year from 0 to 1500 RPM. Torque settings 25 plus 1 drill setting. Max torque 45 Nm. Drill chuck span from 1.5 to 13 mm. Max drilling capacity 30 mm in wood, 13 mm in metal. Accessories included. Compatible with all batteries in the X20V Team series. Li-ion technology, cell balancing, longer battery life, increased lifespan with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual for the tool and the battery and charger. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Starting with the battery charger, cable length 1.5 meters, Parkside, X20V Team 2.4 amps with 2 LED indicators when it's charging and fully charged. And we have output 21.5 volt, 2.4 amps, 51.6 watts power consumption. Silicone pads at the bottom with 2 holes if you want to mount it at the wall. And here we have one storage box, one bit holder for the extension bits, I like the accessories, and we have the drilling bits, 8 HSS drills from 2 mm to 10 mm. I like it. And the power tool with the battery, 20V battery, indicator button to check all the time the battery, red at the lowest, yellow and green maximum. Soft elements around, and you can charge the battery with a charger, of course. Plug it in. You know how it works. I'm sure you have a Parkside tool or not. Well, if you won't, just buy it. It is your choice. We have the on-off switch. Now it is locked. Left and right lever. Here we have the bit holder with magnet. One here and another one here, and one belt holder here. I like it. Soft elements, soft grip around the tool, the keyless chuck, no tool, just rotate with your finger, maximum 13 mm. That was all. So easy. LED working light. We have the gear selector switch for screwing and drilling. And the torque adjustment ring from 1 to 25 and 1 drilling mode. I like it. It feels very robust. Definitely I like that this one has the battery and the charger, and with these accessories, and it only cost 30 euros. That is a good price. So let's move on for testing. But before that, I would like to fully charge the battery and use only this battery. I think it is fair because at the box was included the 2 ampere hours. Of course, if you want, you can buy the 4 ampere hours regular or the 4 ampere hours professional or the 8 ampere hours with a huge capacity professional battery. For all these batteries I have made a video, you can check down below at the description. Professional batteries from Parkside. And it's charging. Fully charged, ready for test. Compact and lightweight for ease of use, especially during extended tasks. Soft grip handle ensures comfort and reduced fatigue. Pros: cordless design offers flexibility and portability for various tasks, adjustable torque settings, suitable for a range of materials and applications, affordable, high quality at a budget-friendly price. Cons: limited to light to medium duty, not ideal for heavy duty industrial use. Single battery, a second battery may be needed for longer projects. The Parkside Cordless drill is a versatile and reliable power tool, ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals tackling various drilling and screwdriving tasks. With its cordless design, robust performance and user-friendly features, it is perfect for use in the home, workshop or on the go. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tool reviews, project tips and DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay equipped, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.